Hi, my name is Elaine Russell, and this is an image that I got from going to the aquarium in Georgia and looking at the jellyfish. So I'm going to resize this image by coming up to Image, telling the properties. Currently it is 1536 by 2048 pixels. My size of my image is 29.3 megabytes, and I'm going to resize it by coming up to Image and then going to Scale Image. I want to do it by a percentage. I'm going to do it by 50% and then Scale. Now my image size is 768 pixels by 1024 pixels, and it is 19.9 megabytes.